One of the most nourishing plants on earth is Moringa oleifera, which is often known as drumstick tree, tree of life, and miracle tree. This plant is a miracle because it contains a variety of bioactive and nutritional substances, such as essential amino acids, vitamins, phytonutrients, carbs, fiber, and minerals. The use of Moringa in phytomedicine and Ayurveda medicine dates back to very early times. The advantages of Moringa were identified long ago when employed in Ayurveda therapy over 4,000 years ago. So where does it grow and which parts are edible? It is native to northern India and can also thrive in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia and Africa. The leaves, flowers, seeds, and roots of this plant have all long been utilized in folk medicine. Several health conditions have been treated with it traditionally. These conditions are diabetes, chronic inflammation, bacterial, viral, and fungal infections, joint pain, heart health, and cancer. Now let's discuss some amazing health benefits. Numerous vital vitamins and minerals can be found in Moringa. Compared to oranges, Moringa leaves offer 7 times more vitamin C and 15 times more potassium than a banana. Also, it contains iron, calcium, protein, and amino acids, all of which aid in muscle growth and healing. Moringa leaf extract may lessen fluid swelling, redness, and pain in people with rheumatoid arthritis. It helps in controlling diabetes. Moringa has insulin-like proteins that help reduce blood sugar levels. The plant compounds in the leaves also help the body break down sugar and influence how the body releases insulin. Cancer. Leaf extracts inhibited the growth of pancreatic cancer cells in laboratory experiments and improved the efficiency of chemotherapy. Other laboratory research demonstrates the anti-cancer properties of Moringa leaves, bark, and roots. Moringa has antioxidants and other plant substances that are good for your health. It helps in reducing stress and inflammation in the brain. It helps in the treatment of asthma, wound healing, ulcerative colitis, diarrhea, anemia, weight loss, cholesterol, arthritis, high blood pressure, liver damage brought on by medications, and stomach ulcers. Now let's know how safe it is. It is normally safe to consume young seed pods and leaf extracts. However, eating bark or pulp might be harmful, particularly for pregnant women. The uterus could constrict due to chemicals in the bark, resulting in a miscarriage. Moringa has a plethora of advantages to offer when used with precautions. Get ready to avail the benefits now.